Good morning. I'm going to introduce our new letter in a minute, but I would like us to practice our sounds that we've done so far. Are you ready? We're going to go super fast, okay? I want to hear everybody. Go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. J, j, j. V, sh, eh, eh, eh. B, b, b. K, k, k. K, k, k. O. G, g, g. P, p, p. E. T, t, t. A. S, s. D, d, d. Okay, well done. Super fast. Okay, so, does anyone know what this is? W. Well done if you got it. W. Okay, this is w. There are lots of words that begin with w, like welcome, wonderful, wow, whale, wish. I wish I could see you. And we write it, start at the top, down, up, down, up. Does anyone know what this slimy creature is? Yep, that's a wiggly worm. A wiggly worm. I have a song about worms, but I'm not sure if you like it. You want me to sing it for you? What? Okay, it says, nobody loves me, everybody hates me. I'm gonna eat some worms. Long, thin, slimy ones, short, fat, juicy ones, itsy bitsy worms. First you bite the heads off, then you suck the guts out. Oh, how they squiggle and squirm. Long, thin, slimy ones, short, fat, juicy ones, itsy bitsy worms. Up comes the first one, up comes the second one. Oh, how they squiggle and squirm. Long, thin, slimy ones, short, fat, juicy ones, itsy bitsy worms. I don't really eat worms. Would you eat worms? Chickens eat worms and other birds, so it's quite setting for today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.